Hey, we're here looking at redoing the asphalt with concrete. I always say if you don't go with concrete, it's your own asphalt. So we're here to make right. We're gonna do 2 line items, redoing the sidewalk and then a sidewalk from the road to the curb. Oh, I'm sorry, from the curb to the sidewalk. Taking a look around, it's pretty cut and dry. The only thing I would say change is roughly 10 feet off of there. Make that connect. This and this. I said 10 feet, it's not. Let me check measurements here, but this looks like a single lane, and then we just tied in with the flare, but that's how I'm gonna do it because of the shape. So for an average, that's 13.3. That's about 10.5. It's 10.4. So it's going to be, because asphalt doesn't have a straight edge, but if we put it back the way it was, it's going to end up being a little over 10. So because that's 13 and this is 10, that's 23. Average is what, 11.5 is it? So 11.5 by 10, which would be probably here. And I'm going to subtract 10 from total length, and we'll basically have shy of a 10.5 wide over this distance. I'm suspecting they had trees taken out because there's 2 spots where I can see roots. So that's 83, which means this is a 73 by 10 and some change, except minus 10 more, call it a 63, because I'm going to do an average here, which means that's 16 plus 10 is 26, so 13 over 10 feet averages. Now we're looking at the sidewalk. 3.5 over 23, and then 6 by 6.5 for the remove replace. And the last consideration is we're gonna do another, call it 3.5 to match sidewalk from the road. The way we usually do that is keep this the same size as this, but still centered. It'd flare, or it would just box in the middle. Either way, 44 feet 7 inches. There's a water meter box there, so honestly it looks like it's going to be on the outside, but just keep in mind that we're going to avoid that, and we'll tie it into here however makes the most sense to stay away from it. And this is over on Fox Run, which I am like 93.5% positive we poured that, but I will inquire.